In this lesson, we will demonstrate how to compute the monthly service charge for a business whose name is Software and More when they wrote 72 checks and maintained an average balance of $516. Now, with this problem here, there's basically two steps that we need to do. The first thing we'll need to do is compute the actual maintenance charge per month. In fact, we don't really need to do any computations because the maintenance charge is purely based upon the average balance that the company maintained. In this case, the business maintained an average balance of $516. So then, looking at the table that we were given, we see that when a business maintains a balance of $500 up to $1,999, we see that there is a maintenance charge of $7.50. So let's just make note of that there is a maintenance charge equal to $7.50 for this particular month. Now the next point that we need to consider is the per check charge. In this case, the business wrote 72 checks. Okay, that's indicated right here, 72 checks. And we see that when a business maintains a balance of $500 to $1,999, there is a check charge of, or rather a per check charge of 20 cents per check. So we need to compute the per check charge. And we may do that merely by taking the number of checks written, which is 72, times the per check charge of 20 cents per check. And then if we work out the arithmetic of 72 times 0.2, we get $14.40. So therefore, the total maintenance charge, or rather the total service charge, is going to be the sum of the maintenance charge, which is $7.50. Let me use a different color here. All right. We have the maintenance charge of $7.50, and to that we have the per check charge of $14.40. So when we add $7.50 to $14.40, we can do that quickly in our heads. We end up with $21.90. So that would be the service charge, or rather the total service charge for this business.